Let's talk about the Pro Complete Kit. Hydrophone technology, pool scopes, drop and drag for anything on the floor. Talking about pipe mics that go in the pipes themselves, venturi lines, skimmer lines, self-cleaning lines, return lines. Again, weight of the water leaking out creates the noises. These hydrophones pick them up. They're powered by the LT1000 amp that comes in the kit. And then we have the deck plate, we have the soil probe with the different hookups for the soil probe. So we have the flat plate, we have the magnetic disc, and we also have the soil probe. The soil probe is for listening in grassy areas or landscape areas. The deck plate is for listening through concrete, through pavers, through any hard surface or what it might be. When you're doing that, you need to create the sounds that you need to hear. That's why it comes with the pressure rig. We can control the right amount of air and water through the compression plugs, comes with the plugs, comes with the rig, comes with everything that's needed. We also give you the static testing cones. That's for listening or checking a line, not listening to a line, but checking a line with dye without having to cut pipes, without having to pressure anything up. Remember, we always talk about pressure test last and static test first. It also comes with a mini camera with dye injection. When you're looking down in a dark, dirty skimmer, it's a LED light with an injection on the end that you're looking with the camera. It's great for light niches. It's great for tight to see areas. If you want to stick it right in the pipe, it won't go through 90s, but it can actually see if you're leaking at a fitting or a turn or whatever it might be. Also comes with over-the-ear headphones. Again, it's going to block out any interference that you have, any background noise that you have going out on the job site. Comes in this water-resistant case, and I like to keep all my pressure stuff separate so there's nothing wet with the electronics. That's why we give you this duffel, the carrying duffel for all our plugs, pressure rig. I sometimes put my soil probes in there. This is the perfect starter kit for most swimming pool contractors that are getting into leak detections, but it goes too advanced. You can use this alone, or you can combine this with some of our other equipment.